What do you think? Hey guys, we got in an electric scooter from iScooter. We're going to get it opened up and check it out. Stick around. Like we have inner tubes, our charging block, and tools. Have part of our handlebar assembly, our headlight, and our scooter. We're going to get it pulled out and check it out. Our seat, a tire. Some assembly may be required, obviously. And our little basket that goes behind the seat. And that appears to be it. We're going to get it put together and go from there. Take it all the way out.
Yes. It says to take the handlebar post
That's here.
to the steering tube, ensuring the folding latch is facing forward.
Well, we gotta get this open because
it says press the locking pin to release the folding latch.
Yeah.
And fold down.
And they said
we want it to fold to the inside. There you go.
Now we put this back in there.
It says reinstall the cover and bolt. Then it says to fold that back up.
Well, I ain't got it tight yet.
Oh. Okay, and then it says there's 2 screws.
Oh, this one and this?
Yeah.
Oh. Just don't want that coming. Okay.
Okay. Next, we're going to take these 2 bolts out.
This is nice, babe.
Well, it raises up and down right here.
Okay, if this goes out, yeah, I'd have to.
Yeah.
At least this kickstand feels like a heavy duty one. Okay, we'll get the headlight and the front fender put on next. Okay, you can see right now we're going to have to loosen the screw up in here and turn the handlebars. Get it straight, but we'll get the wheel on first. That's our next step.
Attach the 2 safety hooks, 1 on each side.
There. There's no holes there.
Yes, there is.
Oh, is it underneath that tape?
See how the tape is?
So I guess they do that so if you don't want to put the seat on it.
Yes.
Okay, what do we need?
4 bolts in the seat. Oh, it comes with a tire pump.
Oh, cool. Okay, we got it all put together. We're going to get it charged up, and then we're going to try it out later. Well, she's going to try it out later, so we'll let you know how well it works out. What do you think?
I like it.
So that's medium?
Yeah. And I didn't have it all the way.
Well, I'll tell you what, if you were looking for a nice scooter, you got one right here. Has a nice big tires on it that air up. Plenty of ground clearance. Has the basket on it. Has your blinkers. You can see it, it's kind of bright out here. And of course, brake light. Very comfortable seat. Has your headlights. Shocks on the front. Does not have shocks on the back, but it is very comfortable. It rides good. And your computer up here with your brakes, front and rear. Your throttle is right here. If you are going and you hold that throttle steady, it will set the cruise automatically. You can disable that cruise by touching the brakes or just hitting the throttle a little bit and it'll disengage it. Really nice. And it does have the disc brakes on it, front and rear. So really nice scooter. I definitely like this one. This is a thumbs up. Hey, if you want to check this one out for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can do so. Also, if you like things like this, I'll put a playlist right over here for you to check out. Might be something over there you'd be interested in. Hey, I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.